So hello my dear friends, this is Learning with Ganesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to explain you class 8 natural resources. Earlier to this I have already given you what are natural resources. They are divided into two parts: exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources, and today we will just go a little bit more further deep in the chapter, that is how coal is formed. Yes, today I am going to explain you under this underground fuel chapter how coal is formed. You see, how coal is formed means it's a earth. It's a completely earth, and here means it is earth. Now what happened? Millions, just I am talking about the millions years ago, there were only plants everywhere, whole earth we can see with greenery, plants, and few insects also, few living beings also. Even you see in the mountains, hills, you can see big trees are there over it. Now what happened? Maybe some heavenly body from the sky had been fallen in on the earth. So it was so hot that most of the trees which were on the earth were burned and died. So all the dead plants and living organisms, what happened? They buried under the ground. So in the due course of years, soil went on forming over it. As the soil forms over it, it used to get high pressure, and with the pressure all the dead organisms it's decomposed, and they have converted it into a hard substance, and from here also it used to get heat. And from here a pressure and the heat, and with this too the result, coal used to form. The process of the forming of coal in this way is called carbonization. Now what happened? Whatever the pressure is to get, that coal which is formed, that coal is called peat. Now see, here simultaneously I am explaining the types of coals. So the initial stage, the thing which we used to get, that is peat, and nearly peat contains 60 to 70% of carbon. Nearly 60%, not 70%, 60 to 65% carbon is used to present. You see, the quality of coal is depend upon the quantity of carbon percentage. If you have more carbon percentage, the coal is of good quality. If you have less carbon percentage, the coal is little bit low quality. So peat is one type of coal which contains almost all 60% of carbon. Now that peat, again in a due course, soil used to form over it, and due to that it used to get heavy pressure, and from here also heat. As you go more deeper into the earth, you will feel heat. So due to the heat, again the carbonization form. Then what happened? Some of the gases which are already present in the decayed plants and animals used to exhaust, and the carbon percentage used to increase. So the another type of coal which is better quality than this is called lignite. So lignite is the second type of coal which contains almost all 70% of carbon. Now you see, the percentage of carbon is increasing. As the percentage of carbon is increasing, the quality of coal is also increasing. It becomes good and good. Now again what happened? So here we get peat. So here below this we can get lignite. But again what happened? Again soil formed, it went more deeper, and it used to get high temperature. So with this, third type of coal is formed, that is called bituminous. B2MINOUS. So here used to get 80% of carbon. So almost all Third type of coal is bituminous. Same process might have occurred. Again, soil has formed. Again, it went on. The pressure is increased. So, due to high pressure from upper side and the heat from the center of the earth, so this bituminous became good quality of coal, that is called anthracite. ANTHRACITE. So here 90 to 95 percentage of carbon is to find. So definitely anthracite is a good quality of coal. So we have almost all 4 types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite. So thus they are called. How this is how coal is formed. So the coal which is formed due to the remains of plants and animals, so they are called fossil fuels. What they are called? They are called fossil fuels. So see, this is also exhaustible resources. So fossil fuels are those exhaustible natural resources which are formed by the remains of dead organisms in millions of years ago, deep under the ground. They are called fossil fuels. Okay. So petrol is also thus, it used to form like this, but I will explain you in the third part how petrol is formed. Just practice this one. If you have not understood, again you rewind the video and you see. Till then, bye.